Ladies and gentlemen, today we want to show you how to restore the garden furniture. Look at that, beautiful. Look at that, so nice. Most of them, the quality furniture is JYW. That's it. Since 1833, I think. I cannot see properly. Look at them. You don't need that much stuff. Just a sandpaper. Sander. That's a brush. That's it. You just sand them down. Put this one in. Simple. Press the button. Between them, sandpaper. Clean them later with methylated spirit or alcohol. Clean them with a cloth. And then I'll show you how to varnish them. They're gonna be gorgeous. So see you in part 2. Bye.